What should I say at the beginning of a YouTube video to keep viewers watching? Do you want to keep people watching throughout your videos so they don't miss your content? In this video, I'm going to give you 4 tips on what to say at the beginning of your video to keep viewers watching. Stay tuned to the end where I share the top 3 mistakes YouTubers make when starting their video. Hi, my name's Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you're notified every time I upload new content. The goal of a YouTube video is to hook your viewers in the first few seconds. If they watch 15 to 30 seconds of your video, they'll more likely watch the rest of the video. The first thing you should do is reinforce what you promised in the title and the thumbnail. Your viewers probably saw the thumbnail and read the title based upon what they were searching in YouTube search, Google search, or YouTube suggested videos. Therefore, you want to repeat your title in the first few seconds of your video. You can say it exactly as it is in the title, or you can weave it into what you're going to be talking about. Viewers want to know right away what your video is about and why they should keep watching to the end. Here are 4 ideas on what to say at the beginning of your video to keep viewers watching. Number 1, ask a question. For example, in this video, I could have asked the question, are you struggling to keep your viewers engaged on YouTube? When you ask a question at the beginning of your video, it piques the curiosity of the viewer to find out the answer. After you've asked a question, you could say something like, stay tuned to the end of the video to get the answers. Number 2, show what they'll receive later. You can do this by showing images at the beginning of the video. For example, if your video is a tutorial, you can show screenshots at the beginning about what you're going to explain later. Teasing your viewers with images about what you're going to explain later will keep them watching throughout your video. Number 3, tell a story. You know, I've been running every day for several years, but I still don't seem to be able to lose that belly fat. It seems that every time I go running, I get really hungry and eat more than I burn off. Recently, I discovered the secret for losing belly fat. Keep watching throughout the video as I reveal the secret to you. Notice how I shared a personal story by drawing you into the video? You can do the same by starting off your video that way. Number 4, listicle. This is where you tell people at the start of the video the steps they need to take to get an answer to their problem. For example, I started this video by saying I'm going to give you 4 tips on what to say at the beginning of your video so you can keep viewers watching. You've just outlined the structure of your video and they'll keep watching to get the last step. You can even tease them to keep watching by saying something like, I'm going to reveal my best kept secret at the end, so keep watching. Here are 3 mistakes many YouTubers make at the beginning of their video and how to avoid them. Number 1, playing an intro bumper at the start of the video. Nobody really cares about your intro bumper, no matter how fancy it is. Instead, you want to tell your viewers what your video is about and why they should watch it. Number 2, don't talk about yourself. Many YouTubers start talking about themselves at the beginning of the video. Before I get into this video, I just want to tell you about this great movie that I watched the other day. See how I just delayed the start of my video by talking about myself? If you make this mistake, you'll see a sudden drop off in the first few seconds on your audience retention graph in YouTube Analytics. By the way, if you want to know the tips and tricks I use to keep viewers watching throughout the video, click the link in the description below this video. Number 3, lack of energy. In this video, I'm going to share with you what to say at the beginning of your video so you can keep viewers watching. Notice how boring and subdued that introduction is. Keep in mind that when you're talking on camera, it's very different to talking in person. The camera tends to take away your energy, so you got to raise your level of energy to get your message across to your viewers. Number 4, don't make it complicated. Don't overthink what to say at the beginning of your video, so keep it simple. Your introduction should promise what they saw in your thumbnail and read in your title. Now that you know what to say at the beginning of a YouTube video, how do you keep viewers watching throughout your video? No worries, just watch the next video on how to keep your audience engaged on YouTube. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.